back to another helpful video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to full screen Netflix into your PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to full screen your Netflix on your PC, you just simply have to open your Netflix application into your PC at first. And after opening the Netflix application, this homepage of Netflix will appear into your PC. Now just simply choose anything that you want to watch into Netflix. For example, I'm choosing this Kung Fu Panda the Dragon Knight series, and after opening the series, there will be a lot of options into here and episodes you can choose. You just simply have to play any of the episodes at first, and then after coming into this section, you can see these two buttons at the bottom right corner. You just simply have to tap into this option in order to make your video full screen into Netflix. And after tapping into this button and tapping into screen, your video will play on your full screen in laptop. This is all you have to do in order to make your video into Netflix on full screen. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.